Now we're getting to the really exciting part. Before we dive into a live demo of using large language models, let's take a moment to explore their current capabilities. These models have come a long way and are already capable of some truly impressive things. So, as we dive into the capabilities of large language models, LLMs, it's important to acknowledge that while these models are powerful, they also have their limitations. This pyramid helps us understand both their strengths and potential pitfalls. At the base, LLMs are incredibly good at understanding contextual language, summarizing content, and recognizing intent. As we move up, they have built-in global knowledge sourced from vast amounts of internet data, and they can reason logically to a certain extent. However, here's where things get tricky. The higher we go, the more these models can start to hallucinate, meaning they can produce responses that seem logical or empathetic, but aren't necessarily accurate or true. This is because LLMs can mimic human-like empathy and reasoning, but don't truly understand or feel like a human does. This ability to generate convincing but sometimes inaccurate information is a key challenge we need to be aware of when using these models.